Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkleTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkleTexHomepage.com app. And as we look at that weather pattern, you can see a disturbance moving into the desert southwest. Southwesterly flow bringing quite a bit of moisture over the Arklatex as we have seen some persistent rains today over the southern sections of the area. Look for that rain threat to gradually shift to the north here during the next 36 to 48 hours. That being said, here's a look at, first of all, what we can expect as far as temperatures across the area. Tonight, looking at lows, probably somewhere in the mid-60s across much of the area. That includes 67 degrees in Shreveport, 65 in Texarkana, 63 degrees tonight in Marshall. Daytime highs tomorrow will vary in areas that may not get as much rain for as long. Could get pretty close to 80. Otherwise, looking at highs tomorrow mainly in the mid to upper 70s across most of the region. It really depends on how much rain you see and how long it lasts. Here's a look at Robinson Futurecast. You can see the persistent rains across the southern sections of the area will become more scattered as we go into the nighttime hours tonight. We'll see an increase in the rain late tonight, especially along the Arkansas-Louisiana border in northwest Louisiana, extending westward into northeast Texas. Look for those showers and thunderstorms to continue as we work our way through Tuesday afternoon. And then another cold front will move across the area tomorrow night. That'll bring another round of showers and thunderstorms, and behind that front we will see the rain end tomorrow night with some sunshine returning to most of the Arklatex with a rather breezy north wind, resulting in a little bit of a cool down as temperatures will once again fall to below normal levels heading into the middle part of the work week. And you can see that very quiet weather pattern will likely continue into the weekend. Now, as far as this disturbance coming through, severe weather threat, probably looking at that very low end chance. You can see marginal risk according to the Storm Prediction Center, mainly tomorrow afternoon over the northwestern edge of the Arklatex. Wind probably will be the biggest concern with that. Another thing we'll be watching very closely is rainfall. We could see some rather heavy rain across much of the Arklatex. Lower res models indicating anywhere from 2 to as much as 4 inches of rain could be possible. A few high res models, including Futurecast, showing we could see a few spots that pick up more than 5 inches. In fact, Futurecast does show a few 6 and 7 inch totals possible across northwest Louisiana, very close to the Arkansas-Louisiana line. That activity does extend westward into East Texas. So the potential is there for some very heavy rain. As of right now, we do not have a flash flood watch in effect, but the Weather Prediction Center does indicate a slight risk of getting too much rainfall across the region as we go through tomorrow and tomorrow night with that frontal system coming through. Again, the heaviest rain probably will occur over northwest Louisiana, over the eastern half of the area. Perhaps a small part of southern Arkansas could see that heavy rain as well. Now, as far as the rest of the week, we are looking at, once that disturbance clears the area, very benign weather pattern with lots of sunshine, pleasant temperatures across the region. We'll see another disturbance move into the middle of the country as we go into the first of next week, bringing yet another chance for some rain and possibility for a few thunderstorms once again, which could arrive as soon as Sunday and linger into the first part of next week. So all that being said, here is your 7-day forecast. First report again, expect the rain tomorrow as we'll see highs mainly in the mid-70s, low 70s with the sunshine Wednesday and Thursday. We'll see another chance of rain again to close the weekend and head into next week with a little bit of a warm-up back into the low to middle 80s by the weekend. Nighttime lows will eventually dip into the 40s and should warm back up into the 60s by the time we get to the weekend. Now, as far as Texarkana, again, rain likely for tomorrow for you as well. Against some locally heavy rain will be possible. You can see beyond that, to probably have to wait until Sunday, Monday to see your next chance of rain in Texarkana with temperatures that will likely stay in the 70s for highs and eventually cool into the 40s, only to warm back into the 60s by the end of the weekend. So it looks like rain likely here tonight, tomorrow night across the Arklatex. A very low-end chance we might see a severe thunderstorm or two with wind. If we have any severe weather, the biggest culprit, and also looking at the potential for some rather heavy rain across parts of the Arklatex, with the heaviest expected tomorrow and tomorrow night.